back. So I think I'm gonna need some more detail, and yeah, I think I will use something here. Let's make a few tries. So I'm gonna bevel here, and let's try something smaller. The half of that, no. Just some indentation. Let's see how that works. It's crap. Alright, so T. Let's see the half of that, and extrude. Let's see how that looks now. Okay. So maybe some beveling here. Yeah, so that looks a bit more interesting. Maybe down here. Nah. Hmm. Oh. Okay. Oh. This is something that definitely needs to be fixed. Edge. Alright. Great. We might want to add something here, maybe. Oh, no, here. Some beveling would be cool. Ah. Okay, let's begin with these. Okay. Seems alright. Okay, so it has a little bit more detail going on there. If I subdivide that, nope. That will require a little bit more work. Anyway, yeah, let's grab, actually, let's grab all of them there. And with Control, I'm going held down, I'm going to deselect the other ones. Okay. There you go. All right. I think we could place a couple of bolts here, right? So I think we'll go with a cylinder. Okay, rescale that. Hello. The kitty cat has come to breed, or maybe ask. All right. Let's make this say 8. It's a very small detail, so I wouldn't waste that much of a detail. Okay, C. Alrighty. A little bit bigger. Cool. Now let's isolate that. Oh, where did he go? Street cleansing out of the window. And I think you can still hear it. Bevel. You got the food. What else do you want? Alright. Let's see. Like that. Okay. Sticks out too much, but okay, so the bolt should go well like that. And then, oops, that was too much. Cool. Control D. degrees. Mm, on okay. This way I ensure that now that I delete these, I quickly have same size mesh on both sides. Kitchen. Me. Alright, so soften harden. I would just do a soften. Okay, I guess I will need to give the treat to the cat, and then I'll be back with the recording. Alright, it wasn't a matter of treat, he literally pigged out all the food I set there this morning. So what happened here? What's this shading problem? Let's see, soft edge. Maybe that is an issue. Well, that sucks. Hmm. Hmm. All right. So 4 nice bolts right there. Good. I think I will have to make something for there, right? Um, yeah. Okay, so let's look for something. What happened here? It's not responding. Why can't I move this now? This one I can. The other one cannot interact with. Okay, so um, torch fueler. I don't even know what's the cigar lighter. No. Torch fuel tiki brand. Let's take some idea over there. Alright. So I think this thing here. Okay. Could put something in there, right? approximately this big. Height, no, thickness. No, probably a bit higher, a bit taller actually, and higher. Does it intersect? It's not showing up, so okay. Let's grab these vertices, let's pull them up. A little bit. That edge. Okay, shift right click, fill hole, then poke face. And really? Oh jeez, I forgot this. Dang it. Okay, Control Z all the way back to here. Alright. Maya's not liking that, isn't it? 12. Okay, it's screwing everything. Great. Seriously. But I'm stubborn and I'm gonna get one more poly pipe. 12. Now screw it now. Thank you. Mm. Alright. Fill hole. Oh. Yep. And history, also freeze. What the heck. Alright. Now, edge, we'll pull this up a little. Ah, face here. Extrude. Make it a little tiny bit more interesting. almost okay. We can also even remove the reference image now, and yeah, we need what's the name in English? Let's see. We will translate. Translate to English. The wick. No, the wick. How's that pronounced? Wick. Alright, so we need the wick to set the liquid inside on fire, but we need to create a liquid first. So sort of, I think I will use sort of wax for that. So I'm gonna duplicate face, not extract. I'm gonna duplicate them. Up arrow to select the containing group. Ungroup. Freeze, history, everything. Got that. Okay, so we need to invert the normals. So it's mesh display, reverse. Good. Fill hole, face, fog face. There you go. Okay, so we can even remove this, I guess. Okay. And now just a simple cylinder. This one also can have 8. Mm. 8 or 12. Let's see. It's gonna be covered with particles, so I don't think it's gonna make a huge difference at that point. It definitely needs to stick out. Oops. Vertex. Soft selection with B. Smaller influence. Okay, and this one down there like that. Okay, soften, harden. is that we need. Come on, vertex. Okay. Something there. Okay, and I will use a fibrous rope material there. Okay, it's not gonna be transparent. I'll just make wax here for as my convenience material with no transparency. Alright, so I think it's done. So freeze history, save. Let's move on to the UV process. Yay! Well, not really yay, but that's something needed. So Control S, then Control Shift S, torch 2. Alright. So here, I guess, we can remove this other stuff. Delete layer. Let's keep one just for convenience later. And yeah. Ta-da! A big cranked mess. Planar mapping. Let's destroy all of that stuff. Remove history and let's begin doing something. Okay, so I will start from this piece here. So I want one material for the top, another material for the bottom, and a third material that will be the connective metals like this, and this part here. Okay, so I can create more material variation and the texture will look more interesting. So yeah, I projected, yeah, I made the projection. Let's use this new 3D cut and saw. Not there. Okay, double click, cool. Double click. Click, click. Okay, and this piece is done. Alright, so this one, separate that. This thing. Let's isolate selection. Again, the tool. I think I would split it here at this point. Right. Oh, and I am forgetting. No, I think we can do that. We can manage this. Here, I probably am forgetting a vertical cut, which will sit well back here. Well, actually, we can remove those spaces. History. Good. And then over there. Alright, I'm holding down control. And then like this, and then holding down control. Really easy UV cutting with this tool. History. Okay, let's see how that works. Unfold. Shift click here so I get this option box. Okay, applying close. Okay, so just gonna be metal and so who cares? Right. Arrange and layout. Let's see the layout. Does that what it does? No, I don't like what it did. So what happened here? Pre-shell rotation was off. Let's set that to vertical. Try that again. They suck even more, but for now it's fine. I mean, the placement sucks, but let's keep that as it is for now. Now this next piece here, UV, and unfold, layout, where are these? Okay. So yeah, we could keep those as they were. Right? No, not exactly. But so where is the... Oh, right. Right. Vertical cut on this one. That's what is missing. Okay, history. No. Just changed my mind. Because I could do that here only. Too. All the rest would go. Okay. UV. Unfold. To UV shell. Unfold. Not unfolding the heck of it. What's wrong with you? Oh. Duh. Duh. dumb, dumb, dumb. I'm really dumb. Okay, so, face. Go away. Go away. And go away too. Right. That's more than enough. History. And unfold. Good. Unfold. Optimize. Even worse. Alright, so what is this snapping like that? Rotate UV tool step snap on. Alright. So also the move tool there. Step snap on. Off. What about the scale then? This was on too. Why? Alright. Okay, now it's another bag. Okay, so UV from here to here. Okay. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna pin these. Should be aligned, I guess. And pinning. Yeah, more. I don't want to see more. Okay, thank you. Pin. UV shell and unfold. Jeez, it did a crap. Alright, let's grab these. Unpin all. First of all, okay. No. Alright, let's pin these. And then unfold the full UV shell. Where's the unfold? Really. Mm. It's working. They told me that it is working. Unpin all. And let's keep that as it was. Okay, so I'm going to Lay out everything. Where's the layout? Okay. Alright, let's move on with this. First of all, did I remove? Oh yes, I did. Great. Let's see what happens if I simply unfold. Distorts in there. So there's the back side, this side here. Cut it down all of the way through. Okay, so we've got one single shell like this. So now we have all of the cuts and unfold. Okay, so this is going to be usable. Now this is kind of joke. It's a circular plane over there, so fold. Oh, really? Okay, so don't like it? Me neither. So shift right click and we should have mapping. Planar map from Z. Okay, so go to hell. I won. Ta-da. History, because you never know. And now this part. Alright. UV, 3D cut. Boom. And then there. And there. Probably the less visible spot for something that is at this height when you approach it should be higher than your head, right? The hidden area should be the upside, the inner upside. What's here? Okay. Let's try to unfold these two pieces. Alright. These worked. Face. Select the faces and isolate selection. It's definitely a very quick way to cut. I really like this improvement very much. Okay. It used to be a really tedious task, actually. Now it's really, really easy. Okay, and unfold these UV shells. Unfold. There you go. Object mode. And where's layout? Layout. Nice. Hmm. Here it is. Sorry guys. Okay, so we can move on to the wick, which got a really stupid UV there. Okay, so going ahead. Where's the back? Here. Hmm. Or maybe if I cut like this, let's see what happens. Unfold. Oh, the lower side needs to be deleted too. Object mode. Okay. Unfold. Alright, layout. Hmm. History. Okay, now what did we do? Yes, did it. Okay, so now we have this sort of ring. Come on, resize. Okay, resize, not resizing. There we go. Alright, so this shape is open inside. Right, so if we cut like this, we should be fine. UV, and yeah, it was just right in my face. Okay, so that's done. Now this part here, okay, no additional face there, not even there. So I think this sort of a cylinder. I'm used to go to edge and then cut with the buttons. I need to train myself using this new tool here, which is way quicker. Jeez, this is tremendously horrible, and indeed it also distorts like a charm. So something's not really good there, right? Um, can. So first of all, I need to go to object mode in order to have polygon display. Alright, toggle texture border edges. This should do pretty well, but it does not. Well, you know what? The problem is that we don't have the detail to separate the shapes yet, and therefore that's what we're going to do next. I'm gonna break the shape somehow. Bevel. Whoa. Okay, so this should make it easier on my to separate the shapes. However, this is a way more modern look than what I was after. Let's see if we do this here. Okay. Mm. And here I could apply some balls as well. Right, I can. I've got some ready there for me, waiting to be reused. (90°). I will center it here. Okay, world. See when the world orientation is actually useful. To 170. Stick them in here. Probably also these go a little bit deeper in there. Freeze. Control D. Copy. Paste. Without the negatives, and we've got them mirrored. Oh, this one. Better. So back to this object UVs. I'm gonna redo the planar mapping there. Okay, so sort of start fresh new. And where's UV 3D cut. And now come on. All right, 1. And 2. Okay, cool. So that's fine. And now, since this tool is smart, it's cutting this shell only. Great. So let's see how that works now. Shell, unfold. That's pretty good, I believe. Unfold and unfold. Let's see how that does. Maybe also layout. Alright, there still is some distortion, but it's way less than before. Right here, there is some. I want to keep it as simple as possible. I even wanted to have only one single piece earlier, so okay, so let's move on to these. Layout, so they get way more room. Isolate them. Let's see what happened there. And yeah, as usual. Okay, so what we need to do is to fix this skewing that is happening there. Remove that edge, rotate, and there you go. Let's see if that fixes our issue. so it definitely does something, but I guess it's not enough. Which one is that? Right. Nope. The more I do there, the worse it's gonna do, so screw that idea and multi-cut. Gonna place that here, right, so I can remove the other part, the remaining part, and minimize that distortion, and also try to take the most of the texture room that we can possibly get. Okay, jet mode with this one and this other one. Face. Okay. UVs and then unfold. Okay, that looks way better, way more undistorted. That's the checkerboard. Yeah, way better. And so delete all of the history that we have. Good. Let's move on to these bolts here. Okay, and isolate selection. Alright, these ones have the same exact type of issue. So let's begin the cuts placement. Alright, face, face, face. You see they're still separate objects, but I can go to the edit mode for each single one of them. And work with everything in place, still separate. Okay. Alright, so let's unfold these guys and unfold. And then also layout. Okay, so more bolts. Oh, delete history, freeze. Okay, what? Ah, yeah, the nails. That's right. Nails. Alright, where's the UV? 3D cut. Doesn't work with multiple objects selected. Oh. Oh. Alright, so let's see how that works with this first one. UV and unfold. Hmm. Okay, I don't like that. Okay. Cut. Hmm. History. Now the other object has the same exact geometry, so I select the first one, I did the UVs, second one, then mesh, transfer attributes, vertical position off, UV set current component, because they have the same geometry, so it hopefully works. Here it is. What we've done here and what we still have to go through. So I want to click apply, hopefully it works. And it did. Okay, always double check with the checkerboard. Sometimes it does it, but it doesn't look like it's a good thing. So this goes to the history. So whatever you do on, where's the other object? Oh, right. Really? Okay. So whatever you do on the first one that we've manipulated, it's gonna happen on the second one too. So I made this first one bigger, the other one's not selected. Now that I select the second one, it should have followed, and indeed it did not. New behavior. So what the heck is a history input for? Yeah, I really don't get that. Anyway, it made more sense when it worked like this. But anyway. Alright, so let's... Where's our layout? Okay, and now this one. Okay, so we can cut off completely the back. Why is this like that? Ah, I forgot to merge these. How cool of me. Alright, so we can do a... can we do here? Okay, isolate it here. Alright, so I should have everything selected correctly. Yep, I do. Shift right click, merge vertices. There. Let's try that on. Alright, it's no longer open. Planar mapping just to make sure we don't have extra cuts. And let's begin with our cut. 3D cut and saw. 1, 2. So I'm gonna cut off all of the back. Oh, actually no. We'll do that down to here. Don't have to. It also touches the wall. You please cut. Thanks. Okay. No, wait. Okay, placed it. Great. Yeah. We need also this. The other one on the bottom. There you go. Alright. Now for the cube, because these, you can see these as cubes sticking out of the main thing. I might place the cuts. It was in excess. Let's see, like that. Now tell me why. Right? Hmm. Now, since this is going to be really tedious on the lower side, I'll go with a nice delete and make sure the pivot point is in the correct location. V there. Thanks. Control D. Scale it down. Freeze history. Okay, combine. And merge. So now it's a closed mesh. Good. But now also object mode. Need. Okay. So we've got the horns all done, and let's see how that will work. Okay, go back. Yeah, I mean UV editing. Remove the history, save, UV shell. Okay, that's here. Ah, not bad. Let's grab the other one. Unfold. That's the back. Okay. Then we got this. Oh, these are the inner stripes in the holes. Right, they are, but we don't care about them that much. History and layout. Okay. It is distorting a little bit here on the back. That's not supposed to be seen, so this bad distortion there, I don't really care. The rest, it seems to be acceptable. They're not overlapping here, so that is good. Alright. So history. And I'm going to wrap it up here for today. So see you next episode. However, did I merge here previously? Yes, I did. I guess. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna wrap it up here for this episode, and see you next time.